Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video, we shall discuss the Generative AI for Beginners course, which is created by the Microsoft. So this was recently created. So those who want to learn the Generative AI from the scratch, so they can go for this. So it is completely free, and so it has various sections, each modules, and end of the module you have the assessment also. You can go to the video, so it do has the video, so you can watch the videos, and then also there are resources for this. You can go to the resources, and after each module you can take up the test also. So we shall see what are the course details and all. So it supports multiple language support, so various languages are being used for this. And so this was created by the Microsoft, and it has around 21 lesson course. So there are 21 lessons in this, and also you'll have the access to the GitHub code. And so this is basically provided by the Microsoft Cloud Advocates. So each lesson it includes a short video introduction to the topic, and also there will be a written lesson in the README. So so there is a complete link for the GitHub access, which includes the README files, the source code, as well as the materials, as well as the short video. So you can go to that and you can learn this. So the Python and the TypeScript code samples, and which supports the Azure OpenAI. So if you are not aware about this Microsoft Azure, so you do have the separate link for that. You can learn that and you can take up this course. And also apart from this, there are other additional extra resources links. So if you wish to learn any additional courses or anything, you can also go through that. So coming to this Gen AI for the beginners, so these are the 21 lesson plan which are included. So the first part, that is the first module, it includes the course setup, and then so there will be second one, it is introduction to the generative AI and the LLMs, that is large language models. And then so for each of these lessons or each of these modules, so you have the resources and you can watch the short video which is about 10 minutes. And after that you can go to the resources, and then you'll be like you need to take the assessment. If you wish, you can go to the assessment for your practice. And then so the third lesson, it includes exploring and comparing the different LLMs, and then using generative AI responsibly, and understanding the prompt engineering fundamentals. Then the creating the advanced prompts, how to create the prompts and all. So everything is explained in that. And then building the text to generation applications, and how to build the various chatbot and also chat applications, and building the search apps vector databases, and building image generation applications, and then low code AI applications. So these are the different lessons or the modules which are included in this. So it also includes designing UX for the UI part for AI applications, and how to secure the Gen AI applications and the life cycle of that. And also the RAG framework, that is retrieval augmented generation. So the framework and the vector databases, how to use that, and the open source models, as well as the Hugging Face. So you'll be learning various tools also, the Hugging Face and all. And then AI agents and the fine tuning LLMs, building with SLMs, that is small language models, and building with Mistral as well as the meta models. So these are the complete 21 lesson plan which is designed by the Microsoft. So we shall see we shall go to the link, everything, how to access and all. So the complete resources, materials, the README file, the source code, everything. So we'll go to that, how to use and all. So this is the Git Repo URL for this particular course, that is Generative AI for Beginners. And here you can see it was been created by the Microsoft. So here you can view all the 21 modules or the 21 lessons, and apart from that you can also get access to the documents, the PDFs, and the PPT presentation also. So here you can view the PDF of that and the PPT of that, and also you'll get access to the source code and everything. So you can see under each lesson, so you have the README file also. And if you click on this, so it will navigate to the particular course, and each course has the short video. So you can see this is the short video, so in which they'll tell about particularly so what you'll be learning in this particular lesson or the module. So you can also go to this so whatever they have mentioned, so you can go to this. And also each lesson it has particular links, so one by one you can go to this. So this is the Git repo URL for this. So below, if you scroll below, so you also have the link, like after completing this, so you do have few of the challenges. You can go to that challenges if you wish, and then after completing this, you can check for this. You can click on this link so that you'll be getting the, so you'll be navigated to this page. So you can see so each section and each lesson. So if you click on each of these links, so you'll be navigated to the particular course. So in this you have the so you can see introduction to the generative AI concept, so the learning objectives and all. So the prerequisite for this is that you need to be familiar with the Azure as well as the Azure portal. So if you are not aware about that, so you can just sign up for this. So you can sign up with this, and then you can learn Azure, and then you can come to this course. So here you can see there is a introduction, that is what is generative AI. So the part by section you can find these web pages and all. So the like notes, it's a kind of notes, so you can go to this. After watching the video, you can go to these notes, so you can learn from this. So it is designed very well, so you can go through these notes and everything. So once you complete all this, so you also have the summary for this, whatever you have learned. So after that, if you wish, you can take the assessment for this. So you can see you can access the understanding of this module. So for that, you can take up the module assessment. So if you, for that you need to complete all this, and then you can take up the module assessment, so which is for 4 minutes. So you can take up this module assessment, so that so whatever you have learned, you will be confident in that. So each section is designed in the same way. So you have the link for the, like, you have the short video, and then you have the notes related to that, and you can take up the assessment for the same. So here you can view all the lessons, so the link for each of these lessons and the videos, as well as if you click on learn more, so you'll be navigated to the documentation and everything. So around 21, so these 21 lessons are there, and these all are free of cost, so you can go to this. So as said, you also have the notes, like the PDF. So if you want to revise the concept, so you can download the PDF which is provided in the Git repository. So you can just download it, and you can revise the concepts. So this is one of the generative AI course which was designed by the Microsoft. So it is free of cost. So you can just go to this Git repository. So everything is available in this Git repository, and you also have the access for the code and everything. So you can just go to this and you can learn. So this is all about this video. So the link, it will be provided in the description. So if you have any doubts related how to access it and everything, so you can ask me regarding the same. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more such videos.